Hello everyone, Brother Lincoln here. Just trying to get you all familiar with working with an app called Zoom. If you're working from your iPhone, you may want to know, how do I install this Zoom app? There is a Zoom app that will make life a lot easier for you. You don't have to use your web browser to browse to this link if you download the Zoom app. And so I'm going to show you how to get that app on your iPhone. Very similar, if you followed any of my instructions for working with iPad, the iPhone, as you know, is also an Apple product. So they try to follow a very similar approach. So the first thing you want to do is go to the App Store, and that's this icon. So I'm going to tap on that. And you may see a bunch of whatever new apps that show up. And I usually just go right down to the search bar, search screen. I'll tap that little icon there. And in the bar right at the top, I'm going to type uh, Zoom Cloud Meeting app. And the one that appears at the very top, Zoom Cloud Meeting app, I'm just going to select that one because that looks close enough to what I want. And there, some crazy stuff from people with TikTok, but that's not what I'm looking for. I really want the Zoom Cloud Meetings. And it looks like I maybe have previously downloaded it. So for you, it might say get for the first time. You want to click on that. And so it will download at no additional charge. It's absolutely free anyway. So we're going to pull this down, and it should install once it's there. Looks like there's an update for it. You definitely want to take advantage of any updates for an application that was that you have installed on your device. And so here it's there now, it's installed. So the next time I come back, it will be appearing as one of the icons, and we'll have that little logo. It will have this logo with the blue bar and the camera in it. So I'm just going to click open so you'll see what it looks like. And that's it. This is the Zoom Cloud Meeting app. The thing you'll need to know when I'm joining an application or joining a meeting is click on join a meeting. And here I'll put in my meeting ID. I think I'll just make one up now. And one thing you want to do is maybe change the name of the phone or the device. You know, some people have some really strange looking names on there. So I may just say, okay, well, I'm going to go with that name. I like that name. That's the name I want my presenter to see when when I join a meeting. And then you're there, and that's it. You're ready to join a particular meeting. That's a simple way to join a meeting or download and install this Zoom meeting app. And I have some other videos that are available as well for people that are working on iPad or iPhone. Very similar. If you've seen anything with the iPad, you can follow pretty much the same process by working with your iPhone. So I hope that's been helpful to you, and that you will be able to be more productive using Zoom now that you have that information on how to download it, right? So look for some of the other informational videos to explain some of the more features, advanced features of Zoom. Enjoy.